1. Install Capcut. Download and install the Capcut app from your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or Apple App Store for iOS. 2. Open Capcut. Launch the Capcut app once it's installed. 3. Import media. Tap on the plus or New Project button to start a new project. You can then select the media files, videos, photos, and music you want to use in your project from your device's gallery. For editing timeline. Your imported media will appear in a timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can rearrange and trim clips as needed. 5. Editing tools, trim and split. You can trim the beginning or end of a clip by dragging the edges. To split a clip, tap on it, and then tap the scissor icon. Transitions. Add transitions between clips to create smooth transitions from one scene to the next. Text and stickers. Add text, stickers, and emojis to your video. Customize their appearance and position. Filters and effects. Apply filters and effects to enhance the visual style of your video. Speed control. Adjust the playback speed of clips for slow motion or fast motion effects. Music. Add background music to your video. You can use Capcut's music library or import your own audio. Voiceover. Record and add voiceovers to your video. To watch more, subscribe to my channel for more videos.